And now you're looking inside the Rassvet module. You're looking at Evgeny Tarelkin and Oleg Novitskiy behind him. And the new commander of the International Space Station, NASA astronaut Kevin Ford, as they line up in this passageway that leads to the hatchway from the Rassvet module to the Soyuz spacecraft, now saying farewell. Aki Hoshide, who has spent 4 months on board. There is Suni Williams. Yuri Malenchenko will come into the field of view momentarily. Hugs and handshakes as Malenchenko says goodbye to his Russian colleagues. A final wave from the crew as they are now all inside the Soyuz spacecraft, ready to close hatches and begin all of the preparations for undocking that is scheduled 3 hours, 10 minutes from now at 4:26 p.m. Central Time. There are several hatches that the crew on both sides of the docking interface will close on the ISS side as well as on the Soyuz side. Once those hatches are closed, the crew on both sides of the docking interface will depressurize that vestibule or small passageway that connects the Soyuz spacecraft to the Rassvet module. Once it is down to vacuum, there'll be a series of leak checks over the course of the next 2 orbits that will set the stage for the undocking command that will be issued by flight controllers at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov. That will initiate the opening of hooks that have held the 2 spacecraft together, the Soyuz with the International Space Station's Rassvet module. Springs on both sides of the docking interface then will push off against one another at 4:26 p.m. Central Time to induce physical separation. That will be followed 3 minutes later by a separation burn of about 15 seconds in duration to begin an opening rate for the Soyuz that ultimately will carry it to a distance of 12 kilometers away from the International Space Station for the deorbit burn that will begin the journey home for Williams, Malenchenko, and Hoshide. Hatch closure logged at 1:15 p.m. Central Time. The hatch is now closed between the International Space Station and the Soyuz TMA-05M spacecraft as the crew on board the Soyuz, Suni Williams, Yuri Malenchenko, and Aki Hoshide begin their pre-undocking preparations.